Okay, guys, let's take a look at this NASDAQ 100, right? If we take a look at this movement, I think this was one, day two, day three, and day four. We actually had a bearish move. There's no doubt that this NASDAQ 100, we are on a drop, right? So I've done more analysis in depth. You can go back, previous video I did, which was on the 21st for NASDAQ. I told you that we will be having a drop down to this level. And I told you, I've given you a reason why we'll be having this bearish move. But there's one thing that this movement is making is that we would first of all have this drop, then a pullback needs to be made. So we talked about this pullback, but I mean, we've had way more pullback than we've expected. So let's see if this more pullback would be made before we get a drop on this NASDAQ 100. Above all, the target or the objective out we would say is to get to a level of 10,000, right? Let's say 10,600. So we will be watching out for a level of 10,600 for NASDAQ 100 with. Maybe we would get to that level by next week, right? We should get to that level by next week. But at first, this price needs to give us that drop. Then a pullback needs to be made. So this pullback is what we are having. And once this pullback is over, then we should actually continue that bearish move. Now let's see if this pullback will be over. Let's add this moving average Fibonacci retracement to. Let's see if the retracement will be over. So when you take a look at this movement, we see that we've broken above a level of 23.6. So the next level we should be watching out for on this NASDAQ 100 is a level of 38.2. So let's see it give us a further bullish move. Then once it gets to a level of 38.2, that I have added there, then we should be expecting a further drop. So for the 22nd, which was 22nd of December, right, we should expect a further bullish move. Let us see if this price will go bullish a little bit, then we would have a drop on this NASDAQ 100. Then before once it gets to the level of 32.2, then we should expect that bearish move, that drop. But as at now, we're having a pullback, and that pullback is bullish. So we should expect more bullish move before we get that drop. Coupled with the fact that we are still below this 10 period moving average, then definitely we will see this as a downward movement. We will see this as a bearish move. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame is still giving us an uptrend move. We are seeing an higher highs and an higher lows about that. So let's see if this price will actually still come up again, give us that bullish move again, then we will get that drop. So this 4-hour time frame, let us still expect a further bullish move. Once the bullish move of this 4-hour time frame is complete, then we would now expect that drop. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are still above our moving average, so it will make sense for us to actually go ahead to sell. We should just be patient enough for the bullish move on the 4-hour time frame is over before we get that drop on the NASDAQ that we are waiting for.